Hi guys, welcome to my short tutorial on Affinity Photo. I'm going to be doing tidbits for how to do certain things in Affinity Photo, Affinity Designer and Affinity Publisher. So don't forget to follow, subscribe, and let's go on with the video. So what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to select like someone to cut the background out of. So what I want to do is to scrub a photo. I've got no specifically aspect ratio in here. You just drag and drop and it will basically place the photo to the correct size that you want to edit in Affinity Photo. So the next part you want to do is you want to go to layers, unlock the image, don't forget to rasterize it. Okay, so that unlocks it and rasterizes the image, and you got all your history that you can go back on as well. And you click that the selection brush, which is right here. And what I want to do is I want to just basically go around this guy here as best I can. So very quickly. And basically make sure he is all selected. If you want to press hold Alt, that will basically deselect any areas that you've selected, and the square keys will, the square bracket keys will allow you to increase the brush and shrink the brush. So, and if you press Alt and use the mouse wheel, it wobbles the image as well. I'm just using controls for zoom and shorten the brush down slightly and press Alt to get these finer details in. Okay, that seems to have done a pretty good job apart from down here. Okay, so currently I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do is click refine. That will create a red color on the subject, and then what you want to do is you want to zoom in. It looks like it's done a pretty good job up there. I think it's got all the guy in. I just want to make sure that is foreground, so I'm going to basically just go over this, make sure it's all selected. I'll make sure you get his ear as well. Make sure that's set as foreground. Okay, foreground's the wrong thing. Background even. So I'll make sure it's selecting all of his ear. Undo that just to get more in detail with it. Fine, so that's getting his. I'll make sure it gets all his hair in there. Increase the brush size. Go along there. That's fine. Okay, that will basically get all of his details in. We want to come down here and also go over his top where it's missing there. It will also automatically snap to the outside. You're doing it like this. Okay, so there's a little bit there. Press once to get that in there, but I think that's done an all-round pretty good job of selecting the guy. So I'm going to zoom out, press Alt to make sure it's straight, and then basically put this back in the middle. Like that'll give you the dancing ants. Now basically I want to refine it a bit more because I'm not happy with this down here. I'm going to click refine again, come down here, make sure I'm on foreground, so I select there, need background actually, not foreground. That's fine, that's done that. So foreground, Make sure it's set this correctly. There you go. So it has made everything look really pinky because he was in like a pinky background. So bear in mind, obviously, with the photograph that you're doing. So now I am happy with that. I'm going to click thingy, and you got the dance enhance again. So all you do on this instance is you press delete. Okay, and then you go to select, deselect. Now you've got an asset you can use, and you can change the color of the background that he's on, do everything with this asset. Now you can put this where you want it to be, and save it as an asset, or if you wanted a different background. Anyway guys, that's this video for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Bye for now.